Okay, sound check, sound check. Okay, good evening. I am Greg Aaron Goalkeeper from BSIT 3F. So, this is the data warehousing and data mining midterm examination. So before we start, this is the output-based examination for midterm. So examination focus on SQL queries and simple data mining demonstration. So this is the five uh, problems that we need to solve, no? So before we start, click lang natin tong Google Drive. So click natin to. So this is the all the codes from SQL that we need uh, solve, no? Okay, so download natin. Okay. Okay, so completely done. The same time, naka-ready na yung sum. Then, okay. So at the same time, naka-ready na rin po siya. Sinet ko na rin siya. Create na rin ako ng name, database. So, before we start, this is all the tables na ginawa ni Sir Jonas. Pero may ilan dito na gagawin lang natin yung 5 na binigay sa amin. Okay, so first question is retrieve all primary products to the database and organize them based on size. Okay, so sabi dito, lahat ng primary products galing sa database that we need to retrieve and organize base dun sa size, no? Galing din sa products. So, I mean, galing din sa size. So, yan yung pagkakaintindi ko. So, products, I mean, okay. So, size. So, dapat ito, we need to arrange it, no? Or naka-organize. So, all we need to do is code tayo. So, first select p name, p size. So, I think para sa akin lang, kung ano yung naka-base dun sa table na yun, sa column, kailangan natin sundin capitalize ba or small. So, okay. So, size and piece from, so, ito, galing sa product. Excuse. And then, we need to order by p, sorry. P size. So, don't forget the column, no? Kasi mag-error talaga yan pag walang semicolon. Okay, so ito yung first example. First problem. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so the result is nakuha natin yung p name, p size, and p piece ordered by p size from product. So, hiningi daw dito naka-organize from the database, organize them based on size. Okay. So, ito na yung number 1. Hiningi. So, screenshot lang natin to. Then, ito yung number 1 natin. Okay. So, next questions is obtain product set to expire in August from the product table. Okay, so product table daw. Hanapin natin yung product ulit. Expiring Okay, so ito yung expiring date na hinihingi dun sa question. Okay, so all we need to do again is code tayo. Okay, so select asterisk from product again. Product where kung saan daw yung month month uh, month uh, expiry ito yan expiry then let's say yung 8. Okay, basahin ulit natin. Product all goes from product table. Okay, so let's see. Number month total expiring date. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so nakuha natin yung expiring date. Okay, so screenshot. This is the number 2. Okay, the next question is calculate the total sales from the product cart. So sa product cart naman, no? So product cart table including product name, size, and quantity. So medyo mababa. Sige, let's see. Okay. So, calculate total sales from the product cart table including product name, size. Okay. So, punta tayo sa product cart. Product name, product quantities, product name. Calculate the product cart including product name, size, and quantity. Ito, quantities. So, okay, let's start. So, product name, no? So, select product name, and then the size, may D yun ito, D, and then the product quantities. Then, the total sum of the product quantities. Asterisk total. Okay. And then, as i-overall total natin, overall total sales from product cart dun sa product cart sa table. Okay. Group order wait, product quantities total as overall total sales. Okay, so group by then again ito kunin ulit natin ito, copy product name, then again size, and then the product quantities, then total. So wait, calculate total sales. So yung total, where's the total? This one, product is and the total dun sa product table, product cart including the product names, size, and quantity. So product name, product quantities, and also the size. So let's see. Okay, so calculate, no? Na-calculate niya na. So total, product name, size, quantities, then the total. So ito total niya, sisasam niya yung product quantities and plus the total as overall total sales galing sa product cart. I-group niya at the same time yung product name, size, product quantities, and the total. Okay, so yun lang, no? So print screen. Okay, so number 3. Next question is, retrieve all records from the sales table and group them by date. So, i-retrieve niya daw lahat ng records galing daw sa sales table and group them by date. So, let's see. So, sa sales, wait lang. I-retrieve all records from the sales table and group them by date. Group them by date. Okay, so date uploaded, no? So, magpo-focus tayo dito sa mga pecha. So, okay, so select date uploaded from dito sa sales. Ito, sa sales. So, sabi daw dito, no? Okay, so yung sales lang daw, yung sales, and then yung date, by date. So, okay, let's see. So, date uploaded, no? So, ito yung hinihingi. Ito yung result. Okay, so, in screen, then, number 4. So, the last question is, determine the number of entries in the product cart table. Determine the number of entries in the product cart table. So, balik ulit tayo sa product cart. So, sinasabi daw dito, determine daw lahat. Ito total daw lahat ng mga entries. So, let's see kung ilan to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, 11, no? So, ang kailangan dito, ito total natin lahat to. As one. As one, yung result. Okay, so, clear na natin to. So, select count, select count. So, it means lahat, no? So, lahat as total entries from product cart. Okay. So, isi-select count niya lahat ito as all. Kumbaga, select all. So, select count as total entries from product cart. Okay, so as total entries from product is line 1. From product as total entries. Wait. Okay, so ano pala yung kanina? Naka-space. So, this is the total entries, no? So, kung naka-capitalize to, pwede pa rin natin gawin tong maliit na letter. So, as let's say total entries from product product cart. So, okay. So, okay. So, ito yung total entries based doon sa lahat dito sa mga data. So, screenshot. Then, this is the last solve. So, number 5. So, ito lang naman lahat. Okay, so admin department product. Okay, so ito lang naman yung hinihingi dito based dito sa output based examination. So, yun lang and thank you so much. Thank you.